up? I am a military soldier. Military soldier. I'm a military soldier. Check this out. This is poppets. Which are for my grenades? Grenades, remember. Grenade launcher.
Oh, incidental.
Crap! Why are you looking at me? Oops. Alright, stop doing that. Alright, assistant? Alright. These are, they don't really look like grenade launchers, but they are grenade launchers for the 4th of July. Yeah, I'm not trying to kill anybody with guns or else it's illegal. Here's my shotgun. Remember that. Here's my machine gun. Remember that. Here's my sniper rifle. Finally, the big finale. Rocket launcher. Let's go. What the?
I think after the while he starts to play.
No, they had it signed out like 2 months warranty, but then they know they should have review.
Remember that! These are my weapons. I don't carry them. I'm hiring an assistant. Assistant, carry this. Well, carry my weapons. Carry this to the living room. This is just the kitchen. I mean outside. Hey, look at my weapons. Let's kill somebody. Hey, you in the computer. You're an enemy. Look at you. You over there. I'm pointing at you. You kid with the pajamas. I need you. You're my enemy. Stand up. Yeah, I know you're trying to bomb the world with fireworks. Real quick. No more of that stuff. No, I'm not letting you get away with this. Dude. Go here. And I'm gonna shoot you. Bombs. Fall down to death. My head is in my yard. Fall down. Fall down. You're still alive? I'm gonna throw more grenades at you. Lay down to death. Don't put it down. Don't put it down. Hey you, another one. I'm gonna kill you with my grenade launcher. Here. Hey, look. What? Hey, you. You, come here. the fireworks on TV. Psych. Yeah. I was trying to kill more with my shotgun. Want to know why I call it a shotgun? Its ammo's like this. Oh, you, another one. It's more guns. Hey! Hey, you! You idiot! Give me here! Come here! Come here! Look! I have food in this can. Goodbye. Another one? That's it. Snaffle raffle. Hey, you. Yeah, I'm the chosen one? Yeah, you are. Thank you, thank you, thank you. No, no. Oh, a present. Yeah, here's a present. Present to death. Well, the grand finale. He's so hard. The rocket launcher. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah!
The thing is gonna drop.
You're alive again? You. Hello?
Elijah.
You're still alive? Lay down to the ground to death.
Hey.
Well, that's it for I completed my war. But I got the rocket launcher a long time ago.
Down. Can
Bye.
see your face. I want to see your face. There, down. More down, there.
Bye.